Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by the sides, and the head reaching upward. The body should look like a straight line, with shoulders relaxed and the chest gently open. Stand in place and slowly roll the shoulders backward while making big circles with the arms. The final position keeps shoulders down and back, helping the spine stay tall and open. Move from bending your back like a cat to gently arching it like a cow on your hands and knees. In the cow position, your chest opens forward and your spine forms a smooth curve. From hands and knees, extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward. The body should form a long, straight line from fingertips to toes with the back flat and stable. Lie on the belly and gently lift the chest using back muscles, keeping elbows slightly bent. The final pose shows an open chest, long neck, and shoulders pulled away from the ears. Lie on the stomach and lift the chest, arms, and legs slightly off the floor. The back looks strong and engaged, with legs long and arms reaching back. Sit back on the heels and stretch the arms forward on the floor. The spine lengthens gently and the back relaxes while staying long. Sit tall and fold forward from the hips while keeping the back long. The final position shows a straight spine rather than a rounded back. Lie on the back, bend the knees, and lift the hips upward. The chest opens toward the chin, and the spine forms a gentle arch. stand up straight with your hands on your hips and your chest out proudly. The final pose looks confident, with a straight back, open shoulders, and a strong stance.